Alright, here we are with another Funko Mystery Minis science fiction. We got 3 more boxes to open, and they are all from the bottom row of a new box. We've got a theory that the bottom row has more rares in it. We're going to put it to the test right now. What you got? Is another Tron?
Another alien from this island Earth. Doing good with those.
She just got in the last video. This feels like Predator. It is. It's a Predator.
And 12. This is what our last one is.
Actually, this is the Bloody Predator, so that's a rare. That's 1 in 24. You can see there's green bloods on him.
I got Jane from Firefly.
Well, that's a very rare one.
1 in 36.
1 in 36.
And I really like Firefly, so that makes me happy. He's got his hat on.
So we got 3 boxes from the bottom row, and we have 3 rare figures. Not the rarest. The rarest are 1 in 72, but all of those are over the 1 in 12 that a common figure is. So I think our theory might be working out.
Thanks for watching, guys.